So palis na tayo sa aeroplano. Darating na tayo sa airport. So nakaland na tayo sa shuttle. So ito yung shuttle, International Airport. So nakadito na tayo. Kita natin yung airlines dito. Kita natin yung shuttle. Mamaya pag dito yung natin, shuttle. So dito tayo sa shuttle, International Airport. Ito yung nila dito. Hanap tayo ng S20 S12. S12 tayo. Ito yung Shuttle International Airport. Mga pandin dito. May mga tindahan din dito. Ayan. Pagkain, marami din mga pagkain dito. Daming pasahero ngayon eh. Ito na, may S-gates. Hindi na tayo malabas sa gate. So dito na tayo sa loob ng airport. 1 o'clock tayo flight natin. Mga souvenirs dito. So punta tayo sa gate S. May tram pa rin pala. So ito na yung makikita natin. So hanap natin ng yes. Ito yung bandita. Ito yung flight information. Ito nakikita natin 1:30 Taipei. 1:30 yung flight natin. So hanap tayo ng train dito. So ito yung gate, yellow line, green line, gate C and N. So dito tayo sa S. Sakay tayo ng gate. Ito yung tram. Ito sana yung na-miss namin yung pagkakuan sa blue line. So ito talaga transfer tayo dito sa S, sa blue line. Ito na yung pa S gate. Ito naman yung pwede naman maglakad pataas kung mamimiss mo yung train or tram. So dito tayo sa blue line. Sakay tayo ng tram papuntang S gate. So ito yung so ito na yung exit like S gate. Taas ng elevator yun na dito. Yung mga stewardess lang labas. Diyan tayo galing. Tram ka, pa-transfer, train. Tsaka kahaba yung iba dito. Ganito kahaba. Kataas yung iba. Ayan. So dito na yon sa S-Gate. So hanapin natin ang S-Gate 11. Ito na yung pang international. So ito yung information dito. Yan. So Eva Air 1:30 AM local time. Okay. Skirt. Good. Tayo. Let's go.
Return to your station.
各位贵宾，舱门已经关闭，请将您的传输类电子用品，如手机、平板等，调整为飞行模式或关机。基于飞行安全，本班机全程禁止使用行动电源。谢谢。Ladies and gentlemen, the cabin door has been closed. Please switch your transmitting electronic devices, such as mobile phones or tablets, to flight mode or turn them off. For flight safety, the use of power banks is prohibited throughout this flight. Thank you.
Those for departure and cross-check.
Please turn your phone into flight mode，请将手机调至飞行模式，谢谢。
共同为您服务的 BRD 025号飞机前往台北。现在我们将为您介绍本飞机各项安全设备及使用方法，请您注意观看影片以确保安全。谢谢。Good evening, dear passengers. This is Triple Nicole Chen speaking. Welcome aboard EVA Airways, a Sunlines member. It's a Thai Airways code-share flight BR0252 Taipei. We will show you the safety demonstration video shortly. Please pay attention to the demonstration to ensure your safety. Thank you. Good evening, 我是司机郑秀华，飞面内是长荣航空加泰国航空交通为你服务的 BRD 025号班机正安在班。即马阮就为你介绍本飞机各项安全设备加使用的方法。乘客这边一定要爱注意鸦片热量及别人安全。感谢。
Kính chào quý khách, chúng tôi rất hân hạnh được chào đón quý khách trên chuyến bay của hãng hàng không EVA. Sau đây, chúng tôi sẽ hướng dẫn cách sử dụng các thiết bị an toàn và vị trí của tất cả lối thoát hiểm trên máy bay. Để bảo đảm an toàn của quý khách, xin vui lòng chú ý vào sự hướng dẫn này. Xin cảm ơn. 欢迎搭乘长荣航空，您的安全对我们非常重要。
EVA Airways welcomes you aboard. Your safety is important to us.
请留意以下影片，现在即将为您开启旅程的想象。
Please pay attention to the following video as your journey begins.
本班机全面禁烟，包含禁用电子烟。
Smoking is strictly prohibited on this flight, including the use of e-cigarettes and similar devices.
传输类电子用品请调整为飞行模式或关机。机上禁止使用行动电源。
Transmitting electronic devices must be switched to flight mode or turned off. The charging and use of power banks is strictly prohibited.
坐时，请系上安全带，将扣环扣好，系紧。
Please keep your seat belt fastened while seated.
解开扣把，即可松开。
To release, simply undo the buckle.
华席桂冠舱贵宾于滑行、起飞及降落时，请将肩带扣妥。
For Royal Laurel class passengers, please secure your shoulder belt during taxi, takeoff, and landing.
解开扣把，即可松开。
To release, simply undo the buckle.
请遵守安全带灯号及客舱广播的指示。为预防不稳定气流，建议您全程系妥安全带。
Please follow the seatbelt sign and cabin announcements. We recommend keeping it fastened in case of unexpected turbulence. 氧气罩在您上方，机舱失压时会自动落下。 If cabin pressure changes suddenly, oxygen masks will drop automatically.
请先移除口罩，拉下面罩，罩住口、鼻，调整松紧，正常呼吸。
Please remove any face coverings before putting on the oxygen mask. Pull down the mask, then place it over your nose and mouth. Adjust the tightness and breathe normally.
请先行使用，再协助他人。
Put on your own mask before assisting others. 水上逃生时，请依空服人员指示穿上救生衣。 In the event of ditching, please follow the cabin crew's instructions to put on your life vest.
救生衣在您座位下或座位旁。
The life vest is located under or beside your seat.
使用时由头上套下，
First, put it on over your head.
腰带拉至前方扣好，拉紧。
Pull the waist straps to the front and tighten.
离开紧急出口时，才将救生衣充气。
Inflate your life vest when leaving the
充
emergency.
气。
Pull the tab in front to inflate.
无法自动充气时，请吹前面管子。
For manual inflation, blow into the tube in front.
当听见 brace 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 指示时，请做出保护自己的安全姿势。
When hearing the command brace, 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 adopt the brace position to protect yourself.
紧急疏散时，禁止携带任何行李，并脱掉高跟鞋。
During an evacuation, leave your baggage behind and remove high-heeled shoes.
本机舱共有8个紧急出口，使用方法及位置均有标示，请勿擅自触碰舱门。
This aircraft has 8 exits. All are clearly marked with instructions. Do not try to open the doors without authorization. 请将随身行李放置于上方置物箱或前方座位下。 Please stow your carry-on baggage in the overhead bins or under the seat in front of you.
滑行、起飞及降落时，请竖直椅背，收好桌子。
During taxi, takeoff, and landing, ensure your seat back is in the upright position, and the tray table is properly stowed.
手持式电子用品，请持稳、收妥，并确保耳机线及充电线未阻碍通道。
Hold your handheld devices securely or put them away, and keep any cables out of the walkway.
有关安全救生事项，请参阅椅袋内的安全须知卡。
Please refer to the safety instruction card in the seat pocket for detailed information.
安全是一趟完美旅程的开端。最后祝您旅途愉快。
Safety is the beginning of a perfect journey. We wish you a wonderful experience.